To the senior brother for the television when they decided to go to the world, Wazobia Max on top UHF channel 57 and Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. We they talk about say everything on turn double. The fun, the excitement, all the action as they concern television when they speak the language when everybody accept for inside the world of Nigeria. Na double. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. Umkubi and our Ogbonge visitor comrade Murphy dey inside studio and we dey discuss the gbege wey happen for Zaria over the weekend and the issue wey come out from all of this matter. We don't start with the talk when our soldier people don't talk as their own part of the story and the one wey don't come out from the Shiite sect as their own part of the story. Now to provide solution and to move forward. We been start with our religious leaders and the kind plenty work when them go do. Our Ogbonge visitor don't list two important things when we say it be like say they suppose they do, but then they do to preach peace and also to practice waiting that they preach.
Oga Murphy, quickly, just to pick them off from waiting you talk that and before we go say they look for alternative. Okay, you said something, say, okay, our religious leaders supposed to preach peace. At least they ensure, say, at least, until they talk, people they follow, at least go see lessons from there. Okay, say, for me, say you notice, say, maybe because of how the relationship between religious leaders and the government themselves. You understand? If we look, nothing they wrong in say make we they relate with ourselves. Because for them to say okay, they violate law, to they block road and all that. You gave a case of along Ibadan Expressway and all that. So you notice say maybe because of say the relationship with them and government don't come enter level where we say even government self no fit handle them. That's why they feel decide to say okay, since we and government on the rapport, make we violate law anyhow we want and all that. Because if to say such relationship never they beyond board. Now I want to say no say now waiting for they prompt all this kind way they happen, all this kind violation of law and all that.
You see the matter we say no amount of relationship supposed to make any government to tolerate lawlessness. But the main issue we say. If because we say government, when they talk about people, human being, people they there. Those people when they there too, one way or the other, never fit differentiate between religion and governance. You understand? That is why, for instance, now this country we did some time ago, one man thief money, then send and go kirikiri. After 2 years, he come out. He go church, go do Thanksgiving.
Even so, I should be now.
He go church, go do Thanksgiving. Come to people come go the club, they dance. Normally, such person, church not will allow him now.
Yes.
So those people for government, that is why somebody they do campaign. If they go church, they go the campaign.
Go do campaign.
Pastor will come welcome you again.
Especially.
You can't go mosque. Go campaign.
Oga Murphy, I bet you need to hold on because we get one of our Ogbonge callers and we done for some time now. We never really hear from him. Oga Chukwudi, all the way from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi, and welcome back to Ask the Hot.
Yes, good morning, my own brothers.
Yes.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Oga Chukwudi, I greet you. Good morning, sir.
Honestly, I just search my Go TV now. Consistency on a day for channel 99, Go TV.
98.
In fact, I go blow on a Christmas gift this weekend. All right, thank you very much for that.
Okay.
The matter as it takes concern the Zaria issue, well, civilians leave because there are soldiers. Soldiers, they exist because there are civilians. At times, it's always good not to overstretch your powers. More especially when you are treating people who are armless. It becomes a different ballgame when you're fighting somebody who is armed. But in this case now, I've not been able to get the clearer picture of whether those guys from the other side are equally armed and also maybe they want to fight or they have any other thing ulterior.
That is why we set up panel to investigate them.
Exactly. But if at the end of the day, we discover that those other people from the other side are armless, and the soldiers are now retaliating, maybe by virtue of mere little provocation. That is where we will see it as being wrong. But if the soldiers are on the defense of their life, I think anybody can do anything to save his life. So my own is let there be proper use of our rights as it concerns quelling riots and stopping demonstrations and all those nonsense. Thank you very much.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very, very much.
Oga Chukwudi, abeg, just continue to dey watch us on top of GoTV and tell your loved ones them to say we don't expand and the ministry don't grow. We go take Oga Yusuf. They call us back all the way from Lekki. Oga Yusuf, welcome back to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you. My trade is finished. So what I want to talk for the matter is here. Those young people, they are very, very wrong for what they do. Because when the chief of army is coming, they're supposed to know, everybody's supposed to know in the area that chief army is coming. So they're not supposed to block roads. No matter any situation, they're supposed to give way for those people when they can go. Especially when we are facing Boko Haram issue. So those people, Boko Haram is everywhere in the north. It's in the area where they are talking about. We hear that they keep people past all this one. So, they get right to defend themselves for any way. They don't get right to block roads for any chief of staff. So whether they get weapon, they hold weapon, they don't hold weapon, they're not supposed to block road. They're supposed to give way for those people. So maybe be careful for whatever we are doing in this war. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Oga.
Thank you very, very much.
Oga Murphy, quickly, make we look at this way. We don't hear people, they talk, say, look, okay, either way, make we can look into this thing, make we investigate that. And we don't also hear, say, people, they talk, say, look, hey, make we now go take and contain this thing, make it not go do it, make it not go escalate. Okay, a typical example, now, the Boko Haram issue. We know how Boko Haram issue takes start. Even before the Boko Haram issue, there's a particular issue during the era of Oga Muhammad Buhari under military. I don't feel remember the name of the man now. During that period, we also rise that time. Okay, may we also bring on this way. For us to be able to at least avert and contain this particular matter, and for us to be able to say, okay, we will fight insecurity. What it is to be the next approach we will take so that this matter no go pass the way it is now.
I think that I don't talk about before. Make government, those ones when they power, make them try put politics, governance for one side, put religion for one side. That is to say that make religious people do strictly religion. You don't say for this country before. Now government they sponsor pilgrimage. Government go use money when people not see chop. Send somebody go Saudi Arabia. Send some people go Israel. But go outside the Oyibo country where they try to learn from. You not go see such things. Meanwhile, then still bring religion come. But now we won't come do like say we sabi and pass them. Then we now once matter don't reach religion matter. Person when and they play before go turn to your enemy. Person when never license you know him go come lie. Just because you don't want to make you touch that area or you don't want to make that thing make you talk them out. So make those ones when they go really place religion for where it be, make them push them for their corner. Make them do that corner. Act according to how government say make you act.
Exactly.
Oga Murphy, please just pause for one while. We get Oluwakemi. Oluwakemi, they call us from Alagomeji. Good morning, Oluwakemi. Oluwakemi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. You there on the program As E Dey Hot. I beg, contribute for the matter what they talk about.
Yeah. And what I have to say is, first of all, do you think it's really normal for normal people to just put a roadblock?
Okay.
For soldiers, seriously, I don't think it's normal. I think there's more to it. Then it's not Islamic religion. No, it's a society in Islam. Trust me. So they have to look into it very well. Then over there, the way they do it abroad, I don't know if you understand. If these issues like this arise over there, they send a military man that no one knows into that place. No one. He will not even be part of the investigation. He will just be someone on the cover of the military that will stay probably for close to 6 months just to find out what really happened. I don't know. That's just really all I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oluwakemi, for that contribution.
Important contribution. And the fact, say, as a lady, when they're very passionate about Nigeria, You dey always dey call us in the hot to discuss this matter. We appreciate them. I beg, spread the word and tell your loved ones, especially your friends, there will be women too. Say make them they contribute for this program and make them they watch them. We don't know on top of Go TV and we don't on top of UHF 57. Our Ogbonge visitor, Comrade Murphy, you don't talk say make we make clear distinction, that is make we separate religion and matter we get to do with government. But in truth, whether we like them or not, we know say these two, they go always they marry. Make I give one example. We remember say former president of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, be write letter one time when he talk say if we get president when come from a particular religion practice, and we get vice president when be also a particular religion practice, if two of them are from the same, say the thing he go get the way when the thing go be for this country, because we in a country when we say we get different religion backgrounds, and it go good make we create balance so that suspicion and the distrust when we go try to see how we go take fit correct them. This one when you don't talk now, they very very clear say for society where people head correct. No be whether the person they go this place go worship. If he behave himself in the way when we say he accepts me for who I be, he accepts me for the way when me I they take the worship and we they live in peace to move this our country forward. Make we can emphasize on this particular issue now. How you take things say we fit begin the correct the problem when they already there in existence for our society. When we say people don't marry religion and politics together, knowing well say so long as say they wed these two together, if they want to push their own selfish interest, they go fit the do am. How you take this say we go fit make that separation? Oga
Murphy, before you go answer that question, make we quickly collect this call from Mary. Mary, they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Mary.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Mary, right down, they hear you.
Okay. Concerning this issue, like one of my sister just called and said that is not. Good morning, sir.
No, right down, they hear.
Okay. Like she just said that is a society. I actually don't know, but these Muslims are also not in agreement with these Shiite people. And then last year, since it happened that there was a problem. Okay, there was a problem between that they killed 3 of his children, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I think, like the guest said, is a kind of they're trying to see what can happen so that they retaliate this time. And then if it's not that, then why is it that they are gathering or their meeting is always at that period where the country is celebrating their armies, where they are passing out armies, and that is when they are always having their celebration. And where their shrine or the mosque is situated is close to the barrack. It's close to the army.
Point of correction, not shrine.
No be shrine. Mary,
the mosque,
not shrine.
Is close to the army depot. So I think if there's a way they can do it, they have a very large field close to them that they can carry out whatever function they want to, but not blocking the road.
Okay, Mary. Yes, we don't get your point. Thank you very much.
I don't know whether Mary still there. Quick one. We for just ask her, say, whether now on top of the internet they watch us or whether now on top of Go TV, so that we go there very, very clear. But we go still continue to push out this word. Say, we don't on top of Go TV for channel 98. Say, those when of you watch us on top of UHF channel 57, say Go TV. Now be the right place when we say you will see us live and direct. And I beg, spread this word so that different parts of Nigeria, everybody go continue to watch us and they contribute their own. Quickly, before we continue our discussion, give our guests more time to address all these issues where we don't raise. And we'll go quickly rush, enter this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it is hot. No go anywhere. Welcome back to As It Is Hot. We talk and say now double blessings. Sake of say, if you find us on top of free to air, that is the one way you go watch, and you don't need even disturb your pocket at all. At UHF channel 57, Wazobia Max, everything maximum entertainment for the language when we say we they understand. And if you they watch us from any part of Nigeria, now on top of Go TV for channel 98, make you they watch us, they contribute for inside this discussion what they do because Nigeria belongs to all of us. Ezugu Chukudi Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Comrade Murphy there inside studio. And what we they discuss now one very important issue we get to do with not just security for Nigeria, but also our our future. Because it be like, say, if we put religion and put politics, and they don't use iron, wedge the two together when it be, say, it's very hard to separate, and it cause some kind of serious problem for this country. Vis-a-vis wetin happen for Zaria for over the weekend, as it get to do with the Shiite sect, when they, under the leadership of Oga Ibrahim El Zakzaki. Our Ogbonge visitor, you been the one answer question as it get to do with the fact, say, how we go take separate politics from the state. But make we establish that one, say, that one go be the final one we go talk. All the things when we say our callers, them don't raise, everybody, they very, very clear, say, if indeed you dey claim, say, na religion, then wetin you do, they bad, because every religion, they preach peace. Every religion, they preach tolerance. And you been they talk about wetin our religious leaders, the kind plenty work when they're supposed to, when they be like, say, they know they do. I go like make you emphasize on top of them again, mention some of those things, then come top them up with the right things when we say they're supposed they do, before we can answer the final question. But you know, go verse. I know, so I promise, say, we go allow you time to talk this one, but we get Oga Kazim from Ogudu. After Oga Kazim, we go just close our phone. Oga Kazim from Ogudu, good morning and welcome to Asili Hot.
Good morning, Maude. How are you?
Good morning, Kazim.
Oga Kazim.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yes. I wish to contribute to this program
Feel free.
because I'm so much interested in it, because I saw a video this morning when the military officers were trying to plead with the state people. And we all have to have him irrespective of where we are, the religion, affiliation, or whether you're a Muslim or a Christian, whether you're from the north, you're from the south. For me, before this morning, I've criticized the military, I criticized the man as well. Because from the video, we what the man wearing blue shirt said. He said the man, the chief of army staff, that he wanted to be assassinated. And we could see his men begging those people to give them the way to pass. But I don't understand Hausa, so I can't say I can't really translate. While the video was being played, we saw some military men wanting to shoot. One of the senior officers stopped them and said they should not shoot. And later, they were pleading for about 8 minutes, sorry. The length is about 9:50 something. They kept on pleading. The other side were holding just cutlass and stones. So there was no ammunition of any form at that point. And if you say they want to assassinate you, you can't dialogue with somebody that wants to assassinate you. You understand me?
Yes. Oga Kazim.
Yes, sir.
We don't get your point. Thank you very much for the contribution. And going by what you say, going by what the footage where you say you don't see, we will also at least talk say yes. Until also see and we go fit say okay, we go fit prove the authenticity of that particular footage. So tell Nigeria say yes, the footage they in accordance with what you don't also tell us. So quickly, Oga Murphy, you don't hear within Oga Kazim tongue. Quickly make you also react to the questions which you don't put down.
Yeah. You see, first of all, these religious leaders, like I already talked, say, no, may them not just preach the peace, may them atom. So that because when you atom, they do a lot more job. People sometimes they believe waiting they see than waiting than hear. So if they see you the atom, it go make more sense, especially for society like our own, when we say people get a lot of regard and respect for anybody when them see as man of God, in quotes. Once then say, in fact, they live for society when man of God fit tell woman, say, not let your husband touch you and as he go be. That we never grow above that level. So these people, they control a lot of respect in the society. And as such, if they feel at most of these things, when their religions talk about, Because these religions, most times, they be like the way constitution be to countries when they grow. Like Nigeria, for instance, the constitution feel they beautiful. All the laws, they intact. But people not they really practice them. They know, they go read them. They know say, you know, they good to do this according to, but they know they put them into practice. So these things, when their religions talk about, make them they act them. The more that they act them, the more their followers.
Go they behave.
They behave accordingly. You understand? If they do like that, I'm not sure. Say somebody go they organize such program for such a place where it go disturb the movement of ordinary people. When not even believe, because not forget, not everybody believe
or
for
accept,
that thing. You have to believe to accept now. Not everybody believe for that thing when you they do, no matter how beautiful it will be. Not everybody believe, and so the other people will not believe. And you need to also know, see, then get their right to still do their activities without being hindered by that your arrangement.
Comrade Murphy, you don't talk well. Make we just, by way of say, we want to wrap them up now. This commission of inquiry, when they don't set up to look into this issue, what will be the things when we say you they expect them to come out with, make Nigerians feel hold?
Yes. First of all, the primary goal now should be how they go find out waiting really transpired, because army don't speak. This other set don't talk. So now to evaluate the stories from the two sides. Come know say, okay, if not like this, not like this, if not like this, not like this. According to some other facts, when not me and you feel not they privy to now, when them also go look into, then they should be able to know what thing go wrong. And my government too, I use this opportunity to tell them, make them make laws when go let religion be religion. When we let religion not get this kind weight when they get. Now, beautiful thing. But make it not put the kind weight when it they put, because sometimes it they cause, for instance, one religion will come they get some other group inside them. Government feel they curtail that kind of thing with laws.
True.
Because most of the group, they're not the most times not be really for positive motive.
Somehow.
One way or the other, irrespective of the religion now.
Exactly.
Because if really say that the religion is supposed to follow MCB, why you want arrange another side? Why you won't get another package inside already an existing package? True, so make them curtail those things. Because if they curtail those things, Boko Haram for no come up, reach where it is. Yes. Our people say, when you want cut dog tail, now when it's small, if you don't grow, you don't feel cut the tail, it go bite you.
At all.
So make them checkmate these things. If na Islam, maybe it's like, if na Christianity, maybe not this group. Sometimes it not they end well.
Comrade Murphy, thank you very much for this important contribution when we say you don't come drop for us here today. On top of us, we like to emphasize, say Nigeria belongs to all of us. Everybody get the right to use belief in the existence of the supernatural based on how we take do am. But we must not do am in the way when we say it will come to cause problem for other people. It go good make we emphasize say every religion when we know for Nigeria and when we say we all accept, if they preach peace, if they preach tolerance, if they preach brotherhood, that is to say all of us be brother of the same person when create all of us. So it go dey very, very important make all of us join our hand together and see say okay, our brother we not do wetin go make something dey inconvenient for them or make life dey difficult for them. So it go dey important make we emphasize here now say the Human Rights Commission when we say they don't talk say okay they go look into this matter, make them come out with finding, maybe people know the exact thing wey result in this, then come provide solution on how we go take go about it so that people no go keep things for mind say okay this one don't happen and we dey wait make we do our own back. Wetin we dey talk be say Nigeria now for everybody and peace belong to all of us. Oga comrades, thank you very much say you carry waka come accept our invitation to attend as e dey hot. We go shake your hand because make you no be like say we start with handshake, we no come end up.
No wahala. Now go thank well.
You don't come give Chukwudi some military teachings because going by the way you don't talk, at least think we don't learn from you. So all these are your drop say military background. Chukwudi, you don't see them.
Our people anyway, wait for house until we come back tomorrow with another topic when they come up plenty smoke. Una bye-bye.
No, bye-bye.
You wake up. People don't even feel recognize you. Somebody call you, greet you 2 times. Good morning.
Military background.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.